Shankar Sharma. I'm a graduate from IIT Kanpur, 77 pass out batch, and I'm the chairperson of this summit. This GCC summit has been the fourth in the series, and this time it has given different color in the sense that UP government and HCL Technology have come together to promote tier 2 cities like Lucknow, Noida or preferred destination of GCCs. And Alumni Association IIT Kanpur is a great platform for that.
This is just the curtain raiser event, and the main event is going to be organized most likely on 2nd September, which will be graced by Honorable CM.
I'm Babita Lohani from Alumni Association IIT Kanpur, and I'm heading the Alumni Association. I am also leading the SMC program. We are inviting all the GCC's representative, UP government, Invest UP, and our alumni. I'm sure that it will be a great event.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My name is Arvind Kumar. Actually, I'm part of the Invest UP. I'm the head of GCC. Whole idea here is that how do we bring the entire ecosystem together, who are basically becoming the enabler to bring more and more GCC to UP.
I'm Major VK Tiwari. I'm a veteran and I'm attending this conference. I'm from UP only. The experience was great because UP is planning to become $1 trillion economy, and GCC coming to state will play very, very important role in achieving this target for you.
My name is Dr. Anshuman Singh. I'm chairman at International Business Startup and Entrepreneurs Association. 27 जुलाई है, हम लोग अभी रेडिशन ब्लू नोएडा में हैं। यहाँ पर GCC इनोवेशन समिट का आज कर्टन रेजर प्रोग्राम है जो IIT कानपुर एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन, HCL टेक और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ यूपी के सपोर्ट से यहाँ पर आयोजित किया गया है। आप सबको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि GCCs को यूपी में लाने के लिए IIT कानपुर लगातार प्रयासरत है और इससे पहले भी तमाम सारे आयोजन हो चुके हैं। एक कार्यक्रम किया गया था डॉक्टर अंबेडकर इंटरनेशनल सेंटर दिल्ली में, एक IIT कानपुर में, एक बैंगलोर में कार्यक्रम हुआ और पिछले कुछ दिनों पहले आपने देखा कि जिस तरीके से हमने नोवेटेल हैदराबाद 26 फरवरी को एक कार्यक्रम किया।
आई एम महेश गुप्ता, चेयरमैन कैंट आरो सिस्टम लिमिटेड, नोएडा में हमारी फैक्ट्री। Well, IIT Kanpur is a forefront in education. 60 years have passed and lot of alumni from IIT Kanpur has gone all over the globe and have performed exceedingly well.
I am Dr. Malti Goyal. I am founder of VNeura. GCC, it is basically for the collaborations with other entrepreneurs and business people.
My name is Rajiv Tilgi and I'm delighted to be here because it's GCC where the Global Capability Center is situated.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद सजाद आलम है and I am a head of व्यापार बढ़ाओ. I would like to call you all the business startups and entrepreneurs to come in join GCC Innovation 4.0.
Hi, my name is Jagnesh Kumar Patel and I am an organizational consultant. For the country, it is very good because there are a lot of opportunities here.
I'm Dr. Amit Sehgal. I'm director of Sharda Launchpad Federation, which is the business incubator of Sharda University in Greater Noida. I think this is one opportunity where anyone can come and understand what actually a GCC is, what kind of support UP State Government is providing to set up a GCC.
So my name is Janmejay Singh Rajput. I am running my own practicing firm, Janmejay Singh Rajput and Associate. Through GCC is a very great platform to understand how government can participate with the private sectors.
My name is Gautam and my company name is Cybotech Consulting LLP. I am working with IBSEA, that is International Business Startups and Entrepreneurs Association, in capacity of Secretary General for Operations. It's really wonderful the way Government of Uttar Pradesh is coming up with this GCC summit. So it is sort of a beautiful dialogue exchange program.
It's a great experience till now.
My name is Suresh Kumar Singh. I am former IAS officer of 2005 batch. I found the information regarding the GCC. Since it is a curtain raiser, even then there are many important figures are present here and they are delivering lecture.
My name is Dr. Suresh Kamal Soni and I head a company called Easy Thesis. मैं IPSIA जो हमारी संस्था है उसका दिल्ली का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। मुझे लगता है ऐसी इवेंट्स बहुत जरूरी है। सबसे पहली यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए।
I am Piyush Mishra. I am Chief Operating Officer of SISC IIT Kanpur, and there is a lot of scope for startups, those who can engage with GCC, that too in tier 2 and tier 3 city, which is the focus of this program.
Okay, I am Rajesh Gupta, Director Corporate Affairs of Maharishi University of Information Technology. ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कि मैं ऐसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में आया हूँ, बट GCC से मेरे को लगा कि इतना अच्छा इनोवेशन हमारे जो मुख्यमंत्री जी हैं आदित्यनाथ जी, उनके कोलैबोरेशन में, उनकी सपोर्ट में इतना सब कुछ इतना अच्छा हो रहा है। और मैंने देखा कि पूरी इंडिया से, इंटायर यूपी से और आउट ऑफ यूपी से भी बहुत सारे ऑलरेडी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर के लोग यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं।
So my name is Kushal Arora. I am the CFO of Open Futures Group. So it has been really good. In fact, all the addresses that have been there in the summit, everyone has focused on infrastructure.
My name is Chirag Gupta and my company name is Smart Track Solutions Private Limited. Basically I am from Gurgaon. जितना भी GCC में देखा तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे यहाँ देख के, मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें न्यू लर्निंग मिली और जो यूपी है काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट कर रहा है इंडस्ट्रीज़ को और जो कंपनीज है MNC उनको लाने के लिए।
My name is Vivek Agarwal. I head the technology function for ETS in India. So I think the idea and the thoughts which the government is having, what we heard today, it's quite encouraging for any new player who wants to come and set up their GCC in UP.
So I am Vishal Agarwal, CEO of eSolutions. I think my only message would be that we should try and incentivize and promote newer industries.
Myself, Shakib Rao. I am representing Cushman & Wakefield. I primarily take care of Noida market. This is a very well-informed event, and we are very bullish about the Noida market and UP in particular.
I'm coming from Hyderabad. I work for a company called eSolutions where I head their GCC practice. I think these kind of events has to be done, and especially for Uttar Pradesh.
I'm Anuruddh Kshatriya. I'm General Manager for Investment Promotion with Invest UP. जितने भी GCCs हैं उनको उत्तर प्रदेश की पॉलिसीज का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाभ लेना चाहिए. Amongst all the states we have the best incentives.
My name is Akhand Singh and I'm part of the EY consulting team. Of course, I mean, like, it was a fantastic experience today. The good part was the kind of challenges they have shared.
Hello, my name is Kush. मैं IBSC में एज ए BDM बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर जुड़ा हुआ हूँ अंशुमान सर के साथ. काफ़ी कुछ सीखा, काफ़ी सारे अच्छे बिजनेस गेस्ट से मिला.
हाय नमस्कार, मेरा नाम पंकज सिंह है और मैं FCI एक फाउंडेशन है उसका मैं यूपी का सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हूँ. GCC इनोवेशन समिट एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही शानदार रहा. मैं चाहता हूँ ऐसे आयोजन होते रहें.